Hello everyone, a very happy morning to all of you. I hope you all are well and enjoying my classes. Let's start our today's session. Students, do you know what we are going to learn today? Today we are going to learn about parts of plants. Students, do you know about the parts of the plants? Students, the parts of the plant are root, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits, and seeds. Now, students, I will show you a picture of a plant and you will recognize that which part is it.
Ma'am, flower,
Very good.
stem,
Very good.
roots,
Very good.
leaf,
Very good.
fruit.
Very good. Now, students, I will show you the picture of some flowers and you will recognize the name of flowers. Students, which flower is this?
Ma'am, lily.
Very good. Which flower is this?
Ma'am, this is rose.
Very good. Which flower is this?
Ma'am, this is tulip.
Very good. Which flower is this?
Ma'am, this is marigold.
Very good. Which flower is this?
Ma'am, this is lotus.
Very good. Which flower is this?
Ma'am, this is sunflower.
Very good. Now, students, let's play some riddles. Students, I will tell you some pictures of the flowers and you will recognize that. Which flower is it? Students, tell me the name of the flower which is red in color and having thorns.
Ma'am, rose.
Very good. Students, tell me the name of flower which is yellow in color and whose name is after the name of sun.
Ma'am, sunflower.
Very good. Now, students, tell me the name of the flower which is white in color and it can also be a name of a girl.
Ma'am, daisy.
Very good. Now, students, tell me the name of the flower which is pink in color and which floats in water.
Ma'am, lotus.
Very good. Kava is a. Now, students, let's do an activity. In this activity, students, I have some flashcards of flowers and fruits. I spread these flashcards on the table. Now, students, we will separate the flowers and fruits like this. Apple is a fruit, so place it here. Dahlia is flower, so place it here. Rose is a flower, so place it here. Orange is a fruit, so place it here. Kava is a fruit, so place it here. Lotus is a flower, so place it here. Peach is a fruit, so place it here. Sunflower is flower, so place it here. Marigold is also flower, so place it here. Strawberry is a fruit, so place it here. Hibiscus is a flower, so place it here. Plum is a fruit, so place it here. Jasmine is a flower, so place it here. Lily is also a flower, so place it here. Now students, let's do an activity. In this activity, I have some alphabets cutouts. Now students, today we will do the O sound words. COT, coat. P O T, pot. T O P, top. M O P, mop. D O G, dog. H O T, hot. D O T, dot. B O X, box. Now students, open your book I Can Achiever 4. Open page number 63. Here students, you will name the picture and fill in the blanks. First picture is a picture of a coat. C-O-T, coat. So write here O, coat. This is a picture of a pot. So write here pot. P-O-T, pot. O is missing word. So write here O. Next picture is a picture of a fox. So write here fox. Here O is also missing. So write here O and read F-O-X, fox. Fourth picture is a picture of a box. So write here B-O-X, box. O is also missing. So write here O. Fifth picture is a picture of a top. T-P. O is missing. So write here O. The word is T-O-P, top. Sixth picture is a picture of a log. L-O-G, log. Write here O and make the word log. Seventh picture is a picture of a dog. D-O-G, dog. So write here O and make the word dog. Next word picture is hope. The rabbit is hopping. So write here hope. H-O-P, hope. So write here letter O and make the word hope. Now students, sit in a circle with your family and discuss the the things what you have done since morning. I will come up with many more new videos. Stay in touch, children. Do your work. Play indoor games for your safety. Happy learning, kids. Stay at home. Stay safe. Take care of yourself. Thank you.